We're going to be comparing 03 compared to 04 on the new DJI Air 3. So I know what you guys are going to say. I thought you wasn't going to get the Air 3. Now look at you. You got the Air 3, right? Well, no, I don't, but Beverly does. This is her DJI Air 3. Now, Beverly, could you tell everyone what drone you're coming from?
Oh my goodness, I'm coming from a Spark.
Did you hear that?
DJI Spark in 2023. I still had my Spark.
Now, in case you don't know what the Spark is, you probably haven't been flying drones long enough, but that's a huge upgrade. So I said, hey, Beverly, I'll meet you at the park. I want to test out the difference between 03 and 04, and here we are today. Now, to make things fair, we have the same controllers. As you can see, they're both the same. This one is for the Mavic 3. Yes, I'm not flying the RC Pro or anything like that. I want to keep it square. I want to keep it as simple and as fair as possible. Cute little drone. I will say this is my first time seeing and touching and feeling and holding this machine. I've always, as you guys know, been a huge fan of the Air series because it's so compact and you get so much in such a lightweight, portable platform, and this Air series is no different. Now, we're gonna start with the Mavic 3 Pro first. Why? Because I wanna see where this starts to flinch, where the signal starts to go bad, and once I figure out where the signal goes bad, all I have to do is take the Air 3 and see if the signal goes bad too, or if it kills it. So, without further ado, let's get this up in the air first. All right, here we go. So far, so good. I'm gonna go off. I don't expect any problems with the 03. The 03 is pretty reliable. So getting these drones to lose signal usually requires going behind trees and stuff like that because, well, in case you don't know, trees block signal. Now, what I'm gonna do is an experiment. To kill the signal even more, I'll point in the completely opposite direction. So, my antennas are pointed this way, and the drone is actually behind me. And I'll do the same thing for the Air 3. I'm going behind some trees and stuff over here. Signal, up. There comes the signal. I'm at 11 meters. Why am I in meters? I don't know, because I don't use this controller. I always fly with the RC Pro. That's why it's in meters, so let us change it. If signal lost, hover. That's what I want to do, confirm. I want to hover. I don't want it to try and return them. I want to lose signal and leave it right there. Good. Now I'm pointed this way, as I showed you before. I'm pointed this way, and I've got bad signal already. As a matter of fact, let me square up. This is the worst signal ever. Now I'm at 37 feet, guys, 37 feet. I want to go down. That turns the lights on. Gosh, I'm really not used to flying with this controller. I want to go down to say like 20 feet and see what's going to happen if I'm going to lose signal. And it pops up back. How am I getting better signal? How am I getting better signal at a lower altitude? That's ridiculous. Let me go up back. Let me point this way. Ah, this is the key. See the way I'm pointing now facing you? That is the key. All right, there it goes. Signal is really bad. I would say at 43 feet. If I go up, well, the signal in theory should get better. 62 feet, yes. So let's go down. Let's see how low we can go. Down to about 20 feet. See if it's gonna lose signal. No. So what I'm gathering here is that the signal's going between these trees over here where these people are, and it's finding its way. So I've got to go get like behind a cluster that's a little bit far out. So let's go a little bit further out to do this test. All right, so I'm gonna look for a spot where there's not a lot of people, but there is a lot of trees. And now I'm heading this way, which is behind me, so I'll turn back the way I was. I know, kind of crazy. I wanna keep this antenna far away pointed. Otherwise, with these drones, you'll have to fly out at least a mile, which I don't wanna do, right? Visual line of sight is important. So yeah, we got some trees here, and nobody dares go between these trees because, well, let's put on the cross. The cross is always a good thing for the camera in case you don't. Yep, that cross shows you exactly where the center of your drone is. So you always want that on. So here we go. We're gonna go behind this cluster of trees over here. I'll go high. I'll go right between this cluster right here. There's no people here. There's nothing to worry about with the drone. and there's enough trees to mess with me. I'll come down, I'll come down, I'll come down, I'll come down, I'll come down. Here we go. Obstacle avoidance, everything working. Gosh, I gotta face the other way now. The trees are over there, so, and I don't seem to be losing signal, so I'm constantly moving. Like, I don't know what else to do to get this 03 to lose signal. How am I gonna test the difference between the 03 and the 04 if I can't even lose signal with the 03? So let's go down. Yes, yes, I know. Boom, there we go. 44 feet. It's starting to give problems. 44 feet. 44 feet. Will it find its way between there? I don't know. It's getting bad. It's getting really bad. I'm 18 feet low. It's getting worse. Let me block the controller at the top to prevent the signal from going out. I don't know what else. Oh, it went red. It went red. It went red. Boom. 18. There you go. 14 feet. 14 feet. Now it's hovering, right? Because that's what I told it to do. I don't want it to go up, hit the trees or anything. So let's spin around back. At 14 feet, we lost signal. At 14 feet, we lost signal. Here we are. I turn and face the drone. The signal comes back 100% strong. So that's good. We know it's not a signal issue. We want to rise up nice and slow. Same way we went down, same way we want to come up. Now, about 29, 30 feet, well, pointing at the drone, we get signal. So yeah, so let's see if this 04 can, like, you know, handle this. And we're like 1,050 feet out, which is pretty far, and we're in some serious heavy congestion right now. We're ascending nice and slowly. Now, would the RC Pro do any better? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section below. I could do this test with the RC Pro and see if there's any difference with the RC Pro versus this. Hey!
Landing.
Good job, Mavic. Good job. All right. I got a round of applause, too. It's time to see what this little bad boy can do with its 04. Do you need an Air 3 in your life? Let's find out.
Home point updated.
Now I'm facing the complete opposite direction, the same way as last time. We are going to go behind these trees and see how it does. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good. Let's get behind these trees. Watch out for that tree. This flies, you fly one DJI, you know you're getting consistent across the board. All right, here we go. We're behind the tree. We are behind the tree. Which one is to look down? There we go. Look down, look up. I think we were behind this tree, to be exact. This was the tree that stuck out the most. Here we go. It was around here. Pretty sure it was around here. Oh, there were some people. Where those people were hanging out, that's where we are. Find the people, you will find where you are. But guess what? Guess what? This signal is holding rock steady. Like, I don't know how it's penetrating these trees. That's the same people that was right there. Look at that. That signal has not glitched. It has not flinched. It has not shown any weakness. Let's go at different heights. No. The height ain't got nothing to do with it. So yeah, is 04 a thing? 04 is definitely a thing. It is definitely a thing. Oh my gosh. Like, I heard this drone has like 6 or 7 antennas inside, and I will not doubt that. And I'm pretty low. I'm at 28 feet. Damn, I'm pretty low, and I'm pointed away, like completely in the opposite direction. And this signal, look at the bars at the top there. If you compare this to the Mavic 3 Pro, the Mavic 3 Pro had some brown, the signals were getting brown. This hasn't even dropped a bar, literally. Now, I get it when I was low, but let's go up and get blocked by the tree and see. No, there's no point where this tree really blocks me. Look, I'm even going up to the trees. This thing hasn't even dropped a bar. So when you want to talk about signal penetration, this thing has some strength. Look, I'm behind this big tree, and my antenna is pointed away. Like, okay, I'm blocking the antenna now. I'm blocking it. This 04 is a thing, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's the real deal. Obviously, if this gives you better resolution through the trees, it'll also push the drone further as well because it has more strength. That's what's penetrating the trees. It's the strength and the number of antennas that gives it more resolution to pick up more signals. So this is insane. Like I'm literally hiding behind the tree, pointed in the opposite direction. I don't know what else to do. I'm pointing it. What? It doesn't matter what direction you're facing, guys. So I don't know. For me, like, man, this 04, it's 04. Now, I know guys want backwards compatibility, but obviously there's something different in the number of antennas, the chipset and stuff like that. So, I mean, look at me. I'm going all the way around, and this signal wouldn't even glitch. It won't drop a bar. It won't budge. And I wasn't able to do this with the 03 Plus. No, the 03 Plus, you saw, I mean, you were there, you saw. Okay, now for the ultimate, let's go between these trees over here where we were the last time with the Mavic 3. There's the tree branch sticking out. I was right between here. Here we go, we're coming down nice and slow. This is insane, and we've got it on hover, so it will hover. And now, the trees are back there, right? So yeah, I know what you're gonna say. You gotta turn around and face the opposite direction. I got you, bro. I got you, I got you. Complete opposite direction. Complete opposite direction in your life over here. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This thing hasn't even dropped a bar. So you wanna talk about resolution? This is resolution. Oh my gosh. And the drone doesn't even have much battery left. It's only got 28%, so it's doing its thing. I think we lost signal at 14. This one dropped a bar at 14. I'm gonna go down to like 12, 11. Barely just dropped a bar. You gonna tell me 04 is not a thing? It's a thing. Block. This is gonna kill the signal. This is gonna kill it. Oh, weak signal. Okay, I give you that. I give you that. But as soon as you remove it, but the Mavic 3 was all in brown, red, everything down here, 1,000 feet away. And I'm lower. The Mavic 3 lost signal at 14. I'm at 10. All right, let's go up slowly. Nice and slow. All right, now we're losing battery. Let's start heading back. Handling the wind good too. Wind's picking up. All right, let's land.
Landing.
Beverly, were you happy with your purchase?
Very happy. I would definitely say get the Air 3.
For a little bonus, guys, I'm gonna try with the RC Pro because yeah, this is $1,200. I want to get a little better signal than the little rinky-dinky controller, right? So yeah. Ooh la la. Even if this does better or just as good as 04 with the RC Pro, this is a $1,200 controller, so it's like it better do good or just as good or similar. Really nice. Signal's holding up strong. There you go. All the way down 34 feet. Let's fly this baby boy. Fly this baby. Looks good. Signal going strong. And bear in mind, Beverly's over there flying with the 04, so that's definitely interfering with this. And still, signal holding strong, boy. Signal holding strong. So the RC Pro, definitely $1,200. You get what you pay for, right? So no glitches here. You see for yourself. Look at that. I'm on the back side of the tree. Look how close I'm flying. Not a glitch. And we could go down in the hole too. We could go down in the hole if you want. So I figured, look, let me just add this. But imagine, right? Okay, you gotta upgrade $1,200 with the 03 system to integrate with this to get pretty much what 04 puts out. Imagine when the new RC Pro 2 comes out for the 04, that's gonna be even stronger. But just so you guys know, I figured I'd toss this little bonus clip in. I don't have my mic, nothing hooked up. I was getting ready to pack up and I was like, let me just try the RC Pro. So there you go. You guys see it firsthand for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release more videos. And guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. Do you think the test was fair? Do you think 04 is a game changer? Are you running out and getting this drone now? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys, well, whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.